Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Apple Watch. First, power on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once it boots up, place it close to your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app. You should see a Start Pairing message. Tap it, then follow the visual guide on both devices to align them. You will then choose your wrist orientation and preferred language. Next, you will decide whether to set up your Apple Watch as a brand new device or restore it from an existing backup. If you have a previous watch, restoring from a backup can save you time. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. This step is crucial for accessing the App Store, iCloud, and other Apple services. Finally, you can customize essential settings such as text size, bold text, and set up a secure passcode for your device. For those with a cellular-enabled Apple Watch, you will have the option to set up cellular service with your carrier during this stage. This allows your watch to make calls and use data independently of your iPhone. After that, you can browse and install your favorite applications directly from the App Store on your watch. Take a moment to arrange your app layout on the home screen, placing your most frequently used apps in easily accessible positions for convenience. To optimize your daily experience, familiarize yourself with the control center by swiping up from the watch face. It provides quick access to features like airplane mode, do not disturb, and the flashlight. You can also manage your notifications and privacy settings through the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, ensuring you only receive alerts that matter most to you. Finally, explore battery-saving tips, such as turning off always-on display, to extend your watch's charge throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.